I hit my toes. Ow. Does that mean bad luck? Oh, no, can't be bad luck. Hi. No. That's very, very cheesy. Hello. Too boring. Let's do this again. After 4 years of YouTube, we're still not doing it right. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. The channel that has forsaken you and I both for so many times. But I am back here with the continuation of the last video that I dropped, which is my empty apartment tour. Now the apartment is 90% furnished. I don't know what's going to happen to the rest of the 10%, but whatever happens, it will happen. I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough and the video and the tour. I'm not going to be doing any voiceover. I'm just going to have some instrumentals playing throughout the whole apartment, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And just grab your water, your wine, your food, whatever it is, and just sit down and watch this whole video. Please don't click out. Please don't click out. YouTube tells me how far you watch the video, so stay, watch this video, like, subscribe, comment. Let's chat in the comment section. What else? Share this video, you know, like, let's beat this whole YouTube algorithm thing, because if you don't want me to disappear for another 4 years again, just watch the video, subscribe. There's nothing's holding you. This is free content. But I hope you guys enjoy, you know, the house tour. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need me to do another video talking about how I built a lot of the things in this apartment, because trust me, this whole apartment was on a budget. Like, I did not go lavish on anything. You see this whole backdrop thing, I built it. My vanity, I built it. I did everything, put a lot of things together. I had the time during this quarantine to put 1 or 2 things together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Like, comment, subscribe, share. What else? Yeah, just enjoy the video. It took me a minute to put it back, and I'm sorry. So enjoy the whole thing, okay? Enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.